I was so excited about this. Like it says, içi dolu. Full within, limonlu haşhaşlı. Like lemon, so full, so creamy. And with poppy seeds. I love poppy seeds. And let me just show you what we got. First off, poppy. Seriously? I've seen definitely more. And that's what we get inside. Some weird jelly stuff, and if you just look close, it's half empty. I was promised this. It doesn't taste like lemon. It doesn't taste like poppy seeds. So it was time to make this myself. First off, we need something that really tastes like lemon. So here we are making some lemon curd. If you want to make it, but you don't want to bother making the curd itself, just buy it. But here in Turkey, you gotta make it yourself. The recipe for that is in the card section up here and as usual in the description below. For the poppy cakes, we'll need 3 eggs at room temperature for the best results and 250 gram sugar, which we'll beat up until it's all light and fluffy. Then comes in our 200 milliliters oil. You can use melted butter if you want to as well. Then start adding the flour, in which I have added my baking powder as well. I'm interchanging that with my milk and just continue mixing. When everything is incorporated, add about 50 grams of poppy seed and just mix it until it is distributed evenly. Oh boy, this looks raw even better than the stuff they're selling. And then I get out my smallest silicone muffin cups and fill them equally. I find it best to wet these kind of cups slightly and then fill them, so that the case can be removed easier. I have no idea how it works, but it works alright. We're making mostly tiny ones, but of course you can make bigger muffins as well. I mean, the bigger, the more lemon curd I can squeeze inside. I can never have too much of that, to be honest. Bake these suckers for 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes or until they are baked through. Usually I fill my muffins by removing some cake out of it, but here I want to be as close as possible to the product, so I just poke deep holes into the muffin with a toothpick and start squeezing the lemon curd in. Thank God I have these tiny piping tips, which did the job. Those tiny lemon dots are not really noticeable, so I'm happy with what I got here. For the big ones, I went with the way I usually make it. Just use my apple core to get the middle out, fill it with some lemon curd, and here you go. You got the giant version of this. Look! This is how it's supposed to look like. Filled with some amazing lemony cream and not that BS that they are selling. Or at least try to sell. And let me know if I should revamp any other dessert, meal, or whatever in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you want to support us, drop a like and subscribe if you don't want to miss our weekly videos. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you next Friday!